Hello everyone, myself Sandeep. I'm from Palakkad, Kerala. I completed my BE in EEE from CMS College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. After my graduation, I have decided to kick off my career in Emertxe domain because of its vast opportunity in future. And one of my friends referred me Emertxe, then I joined Emertxe. First they start on LI basic shell scripting, then next module is C, then MC and LI they are covering. In C itself, they are providing we can do up to 5 projects itself. I have completed total of 10 projects from here. And telling about the mentors, they are very much helpful, and there will be doubt clearing sessions, and they will be keeping a track of our performance and how we are doing everything. And a lot of assignments are there. So these are all help me do good programming and improve my skills a lot. And now I have placed in AMI American Megatrends. Overall, I am grateful to Emertxe for helping me to start a good career in embedded domain. And I will suggest everyone, if you want to kick off your career in embedded domain, you can join Emertxe.